Jessica here with Northern Lights Delights. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Presto Pot at home. The supplies you're going to need right here. And then once you get your supplies together, we can start. You want to begin by using your drill bit and making a guide hole. Now you want to watch out for any pieces of metal. Then you want to drill in and make your hole. Easy peasy. So then once you get your hole, you want to make sure that your valve is going to fit. So if it's not fitting quite well, you're going to use your file and you're going to make it the adjustments needed to thread it in fully. Now when I was using this, I didn't have a round one, so mine was flat and it didn't work out too well. So what we ended up doing was using the drill bit again and filing it with that, and it actually worked out great, just like this. And from there you want to tighten in your valve, and then you're going to want to make sure it's in there securely. Cut off a piece of your JB Weld. That is amazing product for this particular thing. You want to cut off a section, fully mix it until it is one solid color, and it sets up in 5 minutes and it fully cures within 1 hour. Put it on the exterior and on the interior, making sure that it is pushed up against your threads. You want to roll it and then wrap it around evenly, and then you want to let it dry. Let it sit that 1 hour, and there you are. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, share, and subscribe.